Tip number 1. Research the area before moving. Take the time to research the different neighborhoods in Charlotte. Each neighborhood has its own unique character, amenities, and housing options. Consider factors like safety, schools, proximity to work, and entertainment options. Tip number 2. To be aware of the cost of living in Charlotte. It's generally more affordable than larger cities on the East Coast, but it's essential to budget accordingly. Housing costs, utilities, transportation, and other expenses may vary from your current location. Tip number 3. If you're moving for work, ensure that you have a job lined up or have thoroughly researched the job market in Charlotte. For your profession, networking with local professionals and using online job portals can be helpful in finding opportunities. Tip number 4. If possible, make a trip to Charlotte before your move. This will allow you to get a feel for the city, explore neighborhoods, and experience the local culture firsthand. Tip number 5. Decide whether you want to rent or buy a home in Charlotte. Rental options are plentiful, especially in Uptown and South End. If you're buying, work with a reputable real estate agent who knows the local market well. If you are looking to move to Charlotte or anywhere, please don't hesitate to call me at 704-777-1793 or email prime1realty@gmail.com.